What we are seeing here is an actual real-time scan. I've got the Nano VNA Saver 0.3.7 sweeping dipole number 1. This is the marker that I'll be moving, the red one here. And I'll try to get this thing to show the actual readings from the red. My apologies for not being very steady here. I've got some muscle damage in my left arm. As you can see right now, we're at 148.7 megahertz reading, and I've got a 1.25 SWR. I'll sweep this to the high point. This is my high point on the SWR reading of 1.38, and that's at 146.28 megahertz. Bringing on over, you can see the numbers are very good. I'm very pleased with this. I've got two other markers here. Green marker is all the way to the bottom of the frequency. The blue marker is all the way to the top. And these are the readings on those two. Like I said, I am very pleased with the way these are working out. As soon as I can get back out into my shop, I'll do a video showing how I built the dipole and the materials used. I also want to try two other styles, one with aluminum beam and one with a copper-clad steel beam, just to see what happens with them. Thank you for watching. K4BFR, I'm clear.